In this video, I want to show you a really cool project management software or plugin for WordPress. So I developed this plugin myself, and I think this plugin is really helpful when you, for example, build a website for your client, or when you redesign a website, or you have anything else what you want to do on the website. Then I think this plugin is really helpful because here you can see you can make different tasks, give them different priorities, write a description, and track the time, for example, how long you need for this specific task. And yeah, I built this plugin myself, and here you can see we have a settings page. So on this settings page, we can configure different plugin behavior. So for example, default priority, we can switch the default priority from high, medium, and low. Then enable time tracking functionality. So when you are working on a website or on a specific project, then you can track the time, how long you need for the specific task, how long you need to finish the website or to make the changes on the website, for example. And then I think this is really helpful. Then we can see the default view is weekly, so we can change this to daily, weekly, monthly. I will show you later what this means. And then notification email. So in case there a specific event triggers, then you get notified via email, or you can or your client, for example, will get notified via email. You can put in any email address here. Then we have the report setting section here. So here I have a short description here, and then you can generate reports. So what you've done, the task you have finished, or the tasks that are still open, and so on. And then you can generate the report in the plugin here on this page, or you can export the report as a CSV file. And also we have the timeline function. So of course this timeline function is right now empty because I installed this plugin. And here is the main task section. So here we have a quick start guide. You can see what you can do here. Then click add to add a new task. Each task has a priority indicator. Use the edit button, filter tasks, enable progress tracking. Tasks can be assigned to different team members. So when you're working with different team members, then you can assign different tasks to different team members. You can create new team members. So let me show you real quick. So I simply click here on add new tasks. Then this window will open, and here you can give the task a title. So for example, test 1. Let's give it the name test 1. Then here you can give this a description. This is just then the priority level. You can set the priority to low or high or medium. Then the status, we can set it to pending, in progress. And also, of course, when you have saved this task, then you can reopen this and re-edit this. Of course, you can set a deadline. You can open the calendar here. If you have a specific deadline for this task, then you can set it here. Then here, like I said, you can assign this specific task to one of your team members. If you have team members, then simply go here, add a new team member. Then you can give the team member a name, the email address, and of course, when a specific task is assigned to this team member, and the team member has an email address, then he will receive an email of the new task and also on the progress. Let me cancel this. I don't have any team members, or let me go to Tim. So I assign this task to myself. Then estimated hours. Here you can set estimated hours. How long do you think this specific task or this project will take? Then you can enable the time tracking. So then we leave this for now. Then I click on Save Task. And now our task is saved. You can see is title, task 1. This is just a test. Priority level is high. And when we have more tasks, I will show you later, then you can drag and drop them. So you can change the order, you can change the order of the specific task, and this is what I want to show you now. Okay, now you can see I created some tasks. Here you can see choose a theme, install essential plugins, create site structure, and you can assign the different priority levels to each task. And of course you can edit them. Here when I click, for example, on edit, then you can see the title, you can change the title, you can change the description or make notes in here. You can change the priority level, medium, in progress. You can set it to complete, for example. And then assign to, let me create a new member. So I click on add and let me, John, for example. He doesn't have an email. Then I click on Save Team Member. And now I can choose John. And I click on Save Task. So, and here you can see task saved successfully. So yeah, and then of course you can move them around. You can simply grab the specific tiles and then move them around. You can see, for example, here, and here you can see with the check mark, this means that this task is completed. So then let me show you. I will go to edit, and then let's say, for example, this task we did already 50% of the task, save task, and then you can see this is set to 50% complete. And also when I go to edit, then we can set the hours. So for example, let's say this task will take us 2 hours, and then I will click on save task. And now, now you have 2 hours to finish the job, or of course you can, because the time will be tracked in here, or of course you can disable this and then save task. Now this is disabled only for this tile, for this task. And yeah, I think this is really cool to manage a specific job, manage the specific web design job when you're creating a website for a client, and then you can set the different task tiles here and show your client what you want to do, and your client can add a new task, or can make some notes in here. You can describe the job or the specific task, and so you can tell your client, or of course make notes for yourself what this is about, what you want to do here in this task, the important implementations, for example. You can write them down here. And then I think this is really cool, really helpful. If you want to have this plugin, then you can go to the video description, and there you will find a link to my website where you can download this plugin. So you simply download the plugin. You can download this plugin as a zip file, and then simply go to plugins, add new plugin, and then you simply upload the plugin, and then you can check the settings if everything is okay here, if you want to receive emails, and then you can start using this plugin and start adding new tasks. And so I think this is really cool. And of course you can filter this. You can see all priority levels. You can filter this by the priority levels. You can filter this by the status, pending, in progress, complete, or you can filter this by assigned users. So I think that's it. If you have any questions about this, then let me know in the comments down below. And like I said, when you want to have this plugin, you will find all the links in the video description down below. And yeah, so if you liked the video, if you found the video informative, then I would appreciate if you press the thumbs up button. And also, yeah, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm a small creator, and for me, yeah, every subscription, every like counts. And yeah, then thank you for your time. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye, guys.